Welcome to the great IDC Woodcraft CNC Router Bit Giveaway. IDC Woodcraft is doing a major giveaway of 3 of our flagship CNC bit sets, our 20-piece sets. And why? Because IDC Woodcraft has turned 5 this month, February 2026. I started this company in my living room, 2021, February, and now it's a full-blown premium CNC router bit supply company for you. And I want to tell you how to sign up to win one of the 3 sets. But first, I'm going to show you what is in this set because you're definitely going to want it. Let's take a look. We're starting off with your basic workhorse bits, your 1/4-inch down cut, 1/8-inch down cut, and 1/16-inch down cut, and the 1/8 upcut. This is always free in this set. And then we're doing the 90, 30, and 60-degree V-bits. These are the ultra clean cutting bits. The 1/4-inch ball nose, the 1/8-inch ball nose, and we're doing the O-flute bit. So this is a 1/4-inch and 1/8-inch O-flute bit. These are the ones that allow you to do the acrylic projects, as plastic or LED projects, and of course your tapered ball nose bits, the fine detail taper ball nose and ultra fine taper ball nose. These are the ones that you can do the 3D carving with. Then we start getting into some specialty bits. You're going to be getting the 1/8 drill bit, the lightning drill from IDC Woodcraft. So if you want to make cribbage boards, that's what you want to use right there. And then, of course, the keyhole cutter and the beast roughing bit. This is a mean bit. And, of course, the ultra smooth cutting IDC Woodcraft surfacing bit. You're going to get a couple of 1/8 reducing collets. And finally, you're going to get the IDC Woodcraft caliper set. So that's the entire spread of this 20-piece Pro set. That's what we call it, the all-in Pro set. In order to enter for the sweepstakes giveaway for one of these 3 sets is by following the link down below in the description. When you click that link, it'll take you to the sign up page. You put your email in there and then you'll get an email and it's going to explain to you how you can get unlimited entries into this sign up so that you can have a lot more chances to win. And you're going to get an extra special bonus for signing up. Unfortunately, we cannot do this for those who are outside of the United States. Laws make it very, very challenging. So I'm sorry we can't do that. But a happy birthday to IDC Woodcraft with the great CNC Router Bit Giveaway birthday present. Thank you for being part of the IDC Woodcraft family. And this is our way of celebrating. After the giveaway, we're going to be doing more stuff. Now, the giveaway is going to be on our live show on February 18th at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Our show starts at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We'll send you out an email. If you've signed up, we're going to send an email to you to remind you. Want you to show up because if your name gets drawn, we're going to do the happy dance for you. It's time to have some birthday cake. Remember, Wednesday, 8 p.m. Show up there at the live. We're doing the drawing at 9. We'll see you on Wednesday, and good luck.